for the commissioner cum secretary to be, so we can take it up with the government and issue a corrigendum. But apart from that, all our food inspectors have been declared as food safety officers. We are creating more posts. We have received finance concurrence for a few. And the systems of having special courts and strengthening of laboratories and all that is in process. The idea is that we are now talking and thinking and doing something about food safety. But the issue which I now want to raise, which Mr. Patnaik was also talking about, is that government alone cannot do this. It really needs inputs from all stakeholders. Yes, government is going to be there as a regulatory mechanism, but it is for each one of us. As a consumer, I have to first of all ensure safe food handling practices in my own house. And then as an active consumer, I have to ensure that whatever I'm eating is what I should be eating. As a consumer, that is my responsibility. As consumer rights activists, they have certain responsibilities. The businesses have their responsibility. In fact, the Act bestows the whole responsibility on the food business operators, that it is their responsibility to ensure that good quality food as per the mandate is given. So each one has to play their respective role. No doubt the government has an important, very critical role to play, which we are ready to. And I'm very happy that such a wide range of audience, meaning stakeholders, were invited. So right from food processing industries to food business operators to hotel industry, hospitality industry, railways, I believe, also came and made a presentation. And it just goes to show that there are so many of us in this whole exercise. And in a country of the scale of India, we have to understand that anything you start cannot immediately take off. Why? Because everything is churned. Everybody talks about it, then lot of revisions, changes, and which is also a good process, because that's how you hone up the act, the rules. So it may take a little time, but in a country the size of India, it is important that everybody participates, and that when we start, then we are able to do. The whole issue now is how well everybody participates to make what is the mandate of the Act. And I'll just read from the Act. Together, now what we have to do is to regulate and monitor the manufacture, processing, distribution, sale, and import of food so as to ensure safe and wholesome food. So I'm quoting from the Act. This is the mandate for all of us, ladies and gentlemen. And with that, food for thought, let me say thanks. Thank you.